Want to avoid unexpected UPS failures and plan smarter? UPS Health Assessment Report in EcoStruxure IT Expert helps you stay in control of your UPS systems and see the full picture in one simple score. In the Reports tab, you'll find your UPS Health Score. This score shows how your UPS compares against similar devices, helping you see if it's running optimally or nearing end of life. The score ranges from 0 to 100, with 100 being the best. It's calculated using anonymous benchmarking and factors like UPS and battery age, battery temperature and wear, critical and lifetime alarms, phase balance. Each UPS comes with clear recommendations, from replacing a battery to improving cooling, so you can act before issues arise. The Battery tab gives you detailed insights into battery wear and health, showing which factors have the biggest impact on lifespan. From the main Reports tab, you can also generate a comprehensive UPS assessment report. Plan ahead, avoid surprises, and budget smarter with UPS Health Assessment Report in EcoStruxure IT Expert. Simple, actionable, and built to keep you in control.